Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the podcast. We're really happy you're here today.
Hi, yes, welcome. If you're listening while walking, cooking, or resting, that's perfect. Just relax and listen. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ali. And today we're talking about something many English learners find confusing. Yes, today's topic is how to use say and tell. If you feel confused about say and tell, don't worry. You are not alone. Almost everyone feels this way at first.
Yes, really. Even after studying English for a long time, many people still stop and think, do I say or tell here? That's normal. English is not about being perfect, it's about feeling comfortable.
Exactly. And today we're not going to teach like teachers. We're just going to talk like real people and help you feel the difference between say and tell.
So, let's start with a real life problem. Okay, imagine this. You're at work or school. You want to talk about a conversation from yesterday.
You might say something like, yesterday, my boss said me to come early. That sounds very familiar.
Yes, many learners say this. He said me or she said me. And people may understand you, but it doesn't feel natural.
Right. Or someone might say, can you say me your name?
Yes, I hear that a lot. So today we'll fix this gently. No stress. Let's talk about meaning and feeling, not grammar rules.
Good idea. So first, let's talk about say. When you use say, you are focusing on the words, just the words.
Yes, think of say like sound coming out of your mouth, words in the air. For example, I can say hello. I can say I'm tired. I can say see you tomorrow. You're not saying who hears it, you're just saying the words.
Exactly. You're just putting words out there. Now, let's talk about tell. When you use tell, you are giving information to a person.
Yes, tell feels more personal. There is someone receiving the message. So with tell, we usually say who we are talking to. For example, I told my sister the news. I'll tell you the truth. Please tell him I'm late. Do you hear the feeling? There's always a person. That's the key feeling. Tell needs a listener. Now, let's compare them in a simple way.
Okay, I can say, she said, I'm busy.
That's fine. We're only talking about the words. But if I want to talk about the person, I say, she told me she was busy.
Yes, told me. The message came to you. So here's a very soft rule, not a hard rule, just a helpful idea. Say is about words. Tell is about people. Let's repeat that slowly. Say is about words. Tell is about people.
Good. Let's say it one more time. Say is about words. Tell is about people.
Nice. Now let's look at some common mistakes and fix them together.
Okay, wrong sentence. My teacher said me the answer. We hear this a lot.
Yes, it sounds close, but it's not natural. The natural sentence is, my teacher told me the answer, because there's a person, me.
Right. Another one. Can you say me your phone number?
Again, not natural. The natural sentence is, can you tell me your phone number? Because you are giving information to a person.
Exactly. Now let's try one with say. Can you say your name again?
Yes, that works because you're focusing on the words, the name.
Good point.
Or, he didn't say anything.
That's fine. No listener mentioned, just words or no words.
Now let's use both in daily life examples.
Okay, morning at home. I said good morning to my family.
Yes, that's correct. You're saying the words good morning.
Now another one. I told my family I'll be late tonight.
Yes, because you're giving information to people. Work example.
At the meeting, the manager said the plan is changing.
Yes, focus on the message. But the manager told us to work faster.
Right. Us is the people. Study example.
The teacher said, "Open your books."
And also, the teacher told the students to open their books.
Both are correct, just different focus. Now let's do a short real-life conversation. Okay, imagine two friends talking. I'll start.
Hey, Ellie, why are you late today?
Oh, my boss told me to finish one more task.
Really? What did he say?
He said, please do this before you go.
That sounds very natural.
Yes, told me for the instruction, said for the exact words. That's how native speakers often use them.
Now it's time for a little speaking practice. Don't worry, keep it simple.
Yes, you can pause the video and repeat, or just say it with us. First sentence, repeat after me. I told my friend the truth. Pause and repeat.
Good, very good. Next one. She said she is tired. Pause and repeat.
Nice. Now let's try fill in the blank. Just think or say the answer. I want to blank you something important. The answer is tell.
Yes, I want to tell you something important. Next one. What did he blank about the meeting? The answer is say. What did he say about the meeting?
Great job. Another one. Please blank me the address.
The answer is tell. Please tell me the address.
You're doing really well. Now, a small reminder, it's okay to make mistakes.
Yes, mistakes mean you are learning, and when you speak, people understand you more than you think. Now we want to ask you a simple personal question.
Yes, you can answer in your head or in the comments. Here's the question. Who do you talk to most in English? Your friend, your teacher, your coworker? And one more.
What is something you often tell people? Maybe your plans, maybe how you feel. You can write short answers. One sentence is perfect. Before we finish, let's repeat the main idea one last time.
Say is about words. Tell is about people. If you remember that feeling, you will choose the right word more easily. Don't try to be perfect. Try to be clear.
Practice a little every day. Listen, speak, repeat.
Yes, English grows slowly, and that's okay. Thank you for listening today. We're really proud of you for practicing. See you in the next episode.
Bye for now. Keep going.
Bye.